On the 27th night of Rajab, a night like no other, a divine decree unfolded at the Kaaba. The Prophet Muhammad, at the age of 40, received the revelation that marked the beginning of his mission of prophethood. As the Prophet sought solitude in the cave Hira, the angel Jibril descended with the first verses of the Quran, commanding Muhammad to read. These words, echoing in the stillness, were the dawn of a transformative journey that would change the course of history. The impact of that night reverberated through the ages. It ignited a spiritual revolution, uniting a fractured society into a community bound by faith. The teachings of Islam spread like wildfire, offering a message of compassion, justice, and monotheism. Today, millions of Muslims worldwide commemorate the 27th of Rajab, recognizing it as a pivotal moment that illuminated the path of guidance for humanity. The message of Islam, originating from that sacred night, has touched hearts across continents, fostering a global community of believers.